Everybody, how's it going? We got Riker here, CB9, and myself, the Gavinator. Welcome to the first episode of the official Man vs. Machine that we're bringing back from 2011. Today's test is going to be between Riker and I with Mediator CB9 over here, and we are doing the beep test, standardized beep test. It's going to be awful, it's going to be fun. Enjoy.
In 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The test is underway.
Off to a blistering pace. Oh, CB wants no love.
Yeah, CB nothing. Hold on, this is it.
Focus on breathing, staying upright and nice and relaxed.
Thanks, Coach.
You know.
Stage 6 and 1 half. Stage 9 and 1 half.
Yep.
Stage 11 and 1 half.
All day, all day, all day.
World record 17, bro. So CB, let's go.
16.
Stage 15 and 1 half.
Oh, I'll give you that. That was 2. Mediator, you're not supposed to beat both challengers. Come on. You're supposed to be a pace keeper.
Just after doing my hard intervals yesterday.
Oh,
On my recovery day.
okay, I did a steroid last night.
I beat Gavin.
Yeah. It's February 1st. What do I want to say here?
Well, I'll give you a minute. Just hang it.